Hey everyone, it's Rob with Passport to the Parks, and today I'm at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, and I am going through a Junior Suite King to do a room tour. We're going to check everything out. There's two beautiful rooms in here, a whole living area and a bedroom area, and two full bathrooms, so we're going to check it all out now, so come on along with me. Okay, first thing you see when you enter the room, you have a beautiful window overlooking the garden area outside. Beautiful palm trees, wonderful view. You come in and you have a nice round table here, 3 chairs, nice communications, nice phone system, get you to the front desk wherever you need to go. Really beautiful mirror on the wall, awesome flat panel television, really nice storage area with drawers. Got all kinds of storage space in here. Got our first of 2 refrigerators. And again, this is the living area. Over here we have beautiful leather couch, some really comfy chairs, really nice lamps, some really nice artwork on the wall. And this couch folds out into a full sleeper. As we continue through, we have the first of 2 bathrooms. So you have the dual sinks here. Really nicely done. It's beautiful, it's elegant. Nice full lit up mirror. All kinds of great storage for all your different toiletries that you might need. Good counter space. Of course, you have the little soap amenities. Nice close-up mirror for you ladies who love to do your makeup here. More storage down below. Some taller storage here. Looks like we have an ironing board. You can hang up your jackets, your hanging clothing, your pants. We have an iron down here. And it looks like some extra sleeping items. Probably some blankets and some pillows up there. Got the really nice shower, stand-up shower with your soap, your conditioner, and your shampoo. Awesome dual shower heads. And of course the nice size commode. This closes here, just slides. Really easy. Open that up. I love how it's separated from the sink area. So you can be taking a shower and somebody could be working in here as well. These also do slide shut. This is really great. I love this whole look. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Let's open those back up. Everything is really well lit inside here. You do have a ceiling fan. Really nice lighting. It's great size in here. So let's go on and we'll take a look at the master bedroom. Okay, in the master bedroom, again, we have another full-size window overlooking the garden area again. Beautiful palm trees. Really nice seating area down there. More artwork. Now we have the 3 caballeros. Really awesome. Nice little chair, comfy chair to sit in. You do have a secondary entrance, so you have an entrance into the main living area as well as the master bedroom. Have a little nightstand. You circle around, we have the full king-size bed. That looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the clean white look. Pillows are nice and fluffy. Of course, we have Mickey Mouse right on the bed. It's beautiful. During the construction, they are giving away these awesome 3 Caballero pins. They know that they have a lot going on here, so they want to give back a little bit to the guests, so they give away the little construction pins. Another nightstand. Some more 3 Caballero artwork over there. Again, we have the dual sliding doors into the bathroom, and another large flat panel television. Got a little desk seating area in here. with a really cool lamp. I love this lamp. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Again, you have a lot more storage in here. All these drawers open up. You have your Keurig with a good selection of coffees and tea. Have your ice and some extra cups. And your second refrigerator. So the suite will have 2 refrigerators in here. Really nice. Then you have your, again, full-size bathroom. So you have 2 full-size bathrooms in here. This one will be just like the other one. Again, with the dual sinks. Plenty of storage. The full-size mirror with the nice lighting. Then you have the stand-up shower. And you're going to have the dual shower heads in here as well. These just slide open and shut. Everything is beautiful and clean. And you're going to have the same full-size storage in here with the ironing board and the iron again. So we'll just kind of do a full walk here. Again, you have your master bedroom. Beautiful king-size bed. Lots of storage. Your full flat panel. You walk right in here into your living area. Again, with your full-size couch, your chairs. This folds out into the sleeping area. Your table. Your flat panel. More storage. And your secondary bathroom. All right, so there you have the Junior Suite King at Disney's Coronado Springs. I love this room. I love this resort. All the cast members are so great here, so accommodating. If you do stay here, you're going to love it. You're going to love the suites. You're going to love the renovated rooms. All the construction is actually really cool to see. The towers coming along amazing. This is just such a beautiful resort, and I love coming here, and I hope you guys are going to love it too. If you would, check out passporttotheparks.com. You can see all kinds of videos and postings and all kinds of cool stuff there. And definitely follow along here on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Drop a like and leave some comments if you have any questions. I'd be happy to try to get those answered for you. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you love the suite here at Coronado Springs, and we will talk to you very, very soon. Bye, guys.